Peterbilt SmartAir no-idle battery-based system keeps the sleeper cold and comfortable for up to 10 hours. The system can also be paired with a fuel-fired sleeper heater. SmartAir controls are located in the sleeper control panel within easy reach of the sleeper bunk. The fuel-fired sleeper heater system includes an underbunk heater, fan-powered circulation, and is controlled by the SmartAir controller in the sleeper. To activate auto start, press and hold the auto start switch for 3 seconds. Before the system will engage, it will verify the system can safely operate, ensure the key is off, the hood is closed, transmission is in neutral, passenger and driver's doors are closed, and the park brake is set to prevent unexpected starts. When combined with auto start, SmartAir will automatically start the engine to recharge the batteries when it senses the charge of main and auxiliary has dropped too low. This will allow operators to use the climate control system without interruption.